Alright YouTube, it's the next day. My plan for today is to hopefully get done installing the injectors. That'd be nice to clean up under the valve covers, get all that ready, and then at least put a bolt or two on the valve covers just to keep the engine from being open the way it is right now. Even though it is in a garage, I still like to have everything closed up. And I got the, I think it's called anaerobic gasket maker, and I got that. I'm going to install it, put this all back together. This will be the first task of the day, so I'll get back to you guys once I'm done with that. Got all four in so far. Time for the other side. Alright YouTube, both sides are in. Glow plugs, injectors, and they're already all torqued down as well. And I have all AD injectors now, except for the one AE injector for cylinder 8. So, yeah, getting there. Next is going to be rewiring some of the injector and glow plug stuff. The ones that are on there are pretty shot. I kind of destroyed them when I was taking them off, so it's going to strip them and install it. Keep you guys updated.